Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Open your camera. Who is Ahana Sharma? Change your name. Who is Ahana Sharma? Change your name. Good morning, everyone. Change your name, Ahana Sharma. Who is this? And open your cameras also, everyone. Cameras should be open. Cameras open. Quickly.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Open your cameras. Open cameras quickly. I can see many of you are not opening your cameras.
Good morning, ma'am.
Excuse me. Good morning and open your cameras quickly. Abhi, I will remove them from the meeting, those who are not switching on their cameras. Good morning, everyone. Just open your camera. Aradhya and Shlokdeep, open your camera. All right, now let's see here. Sarthak Gangwar, open your camera. Yes. Why is it not starting my video? Okay, all right, now it's started. Yes. Huh. Wait a second. Let me spotlight for everyone here. All right. So today what we have to start is yes, Rudransh, open your camera. What happened? Rudransh, open your camera. Yes. And keep it open. Now let me check. What we have done last time. Okay, we have done skip and tense, right? I have to tell you the answer. Have you done the answers? Skip and tense ka?
Yes, ma'am.
Tense wala answer you have done? Okay, I'm telling you the answer. You will check whether it is right. You have done it correct or not. Okay? See, the second answer I'm telling you. First one was like, okay, I'm writing the whole question again. So I'm writing here question B. This is
Ma'am, we are
huh? What you are having?
like this.
Beta, I will not see. I am not able to see. Just look here like this. Okay? Just look here on the board like this you have to do. Okay? Right in your maths fair notebook. On a new page. Same page. New page, no, same page. Sorry. You were doing it on the same page. The question was skip count in tens. Question A, skip count in tens. Skip count in tens and write numbers from, all right, in your maths fair notebook, start writing the, somebody else, most of you have done this, right? Most of you have done this now. All of you have done this, skip count and tens wala. All of you.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right. I'm telling you the answers. I'm telling you only the answers, okay? So don't write again if you have done it. You just check your answer. First one is 2100
अरे
2
भाई उसको किसी का आंसर नहीं
2160. This answer I already told you, so I'm just doing it right now. Okay. Rudransh, Humaira, the work you were asking for, Humaira, every work is present in the D group. Okay, so you can check it from there. D group is meant for the work only, so you can check the work from there. Yes, Rudransh will tell me. Rudransh, tell me what is the answer from here. Start telling me the answer from here. What should I write? Yesterday we have done this. Yes, Rudransh, write down.
Ma'am, 2510.
No, 2110 beta. Why 500? It will be 110.
I'm saying 100.
Okay, sorry beta. Next, jaldi se quickly. Be quick. Jaldi jaldi bolo.
2120.
Very good. Next, bolte jao. Jaldi jaldi.
2130.
हाँ.
2140.
Very good.
2150.
Very good.
Good morning, ma'am. 1160.
Very good. Very nice.
Good morning,
Rudra.
ma'am.
Very good morning, and why you are late again. And keep your mics off, everyone. David, keep your mic off. Okay, the second question is 1940 to 2000. All right. Aradhya Mishra will tell me what will come start from here. What we will start from here.
Ma'am, we will write this. Ma'am, 140 and 100.
140. हाँ. फिर से बोलो बोलो बोलो. Yes, speak.
9. Ma'am, 1100. Ma'am, I can tell.
No, please don't speak in between. Let others also give chance. हाँ, so Aradhya speak.
1950 and 1960.
हाँ, very good.
1970.
Very good.
1980.
Good.
1990 and 2000.
Very good. Very good. Okay, third one now. Third one is 5490 to 5550. Okay. Now here, those who speak a lot, I will never give them chance. I'm not going to give them chance. Those who speak a lot in between when I'm talking to one. Apoorv will tell me now. Apoorv.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Apoorv, tell me.
15500.
No.
One second, ma'am.
Starting.
Sorry, ma'am. 5510.
No.
5510.
No. Wrong. Wrong. Beta.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Beta, if you are going to do this, I'm not going to ask any one of you. जो मुझसे ये बोलेगा ना, I'm saying who is speaking. Especially to those students, I will not give that chance. When I'm talking to one and you are speaking in between, I'll not give chance to those. because you're disturbing the class like this. Vashu, Dakshata और रुद्रांश को तो मैं अभी क्लास से बाहर है. I'll throw them out. And Ayush, Kunal also. And Rudransh also. Dakshata also. I'll throw you out, Aradhe. I'll throw you out of the meeting if I don't find your video on. Ansh Sen will tell me today. Ansh,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the answer of this one.
5,550.
बेटा 550 क्यों आएगा? स्टार्टिंग तो हम 5490 से करेंगे ना.
5,490.
90. Yes.
5,400.
500. Yes, good.
500.
Yes, good. Vashu, I'll throw you out of the meeting and Kunal Sharma also. Vashu Sharma and Kunal Sharma, I'll throw both of you out of the meeting because your cameras are off. हाँ बेटा आगे बोलो. Tell me.
5,510.
510. Very good.
5,520.
5,520. Very good.
5,530.
5,530. Okay, good.
5,540.
Okay, 5,540. All right.
5,550.
5,550. Good. Everyone copy this down. Copy this down. If you have not done, then copy this down. If you have done it, then it's okay. Then do not copy down. If you have done it, good. If you have not done it, copy it down.
Ma'am, I have done it.
Very
Ma'am, I have done it.
Very good. Beta, let me share this picture on the WhatsApp group. Everyone, please join D group, and on D group you can find the all subjects questions. No need to send the answers on WhatsApp. Vashu को तो मैं पक्का this Vashu his mic is. Why your camera is off, Vashu, every time? Why you keep your cameras off? Keep your phone somewhere. That's it.
Ma'am,
Do not take it in your hand.
Ma'am, can I send
No need to send.
this
No.
work on the WhatsApp?
No, not needed. Don't send. I am sharing. You just check your answers yourself. ठीक है बेटा? Everyone, I'm telling this to everyone, join the D group. How many of you are not in the D group? So please, like Humaira, yesterday she was asking for work. So Humaira, don't ask for work. You can go to D group and you can find all the work there. All right? If you are not in D group, you can text me. You to add in D group, you will get the work there itself. Every day, every teacher sends the work, or every day, nahi, every week. Every week, teacher sends the work, so you can check it from there.
Ma'am, but I am removed from the D group.
Who? What? What is your name?
Ma'am, Saransh Chandani.
Saransh, beta, I think your number is not saved with me. This number is not saved with me. The number which you joined na, was not saved with me. Text your number that this is your number. This number is not registered with me actually. That's why. You can join with the same number you are in A group में, जिसमें A group में ऐसे number से हो ना, उसी number से join किया करो, ठीक है? Okay, Saransh. You joined with some other phone, right? चलो Saransh, I will send you the link on the WhatsApp personal number. So from that number you can just join that. Kunal Sharma, Aryan Gangwar, Rudransh Gangwar, and Vanya. Is there something special with you, all three of you, that you are not switching off your cameras? Are you sleeping? And Sarthak, I can't see your face. Show me your face. Divit, show me your face. Sarthak Gangwar and Kunal Sharma का भी नहीं हुआ है. Kunal को तो मैं बाहर कर रही हूँ. रुक जाओ. Meeting के बाहर ही करती हूँ. He will not understand like this. Let me remove him. अब मैं remove कर रही हूँ कुणाल आपको. This is the last warning I gave to you. Now if I see your camera off, I'll throw you out of the meeting. Straight. Okay. Now let's see the next question. All of you have done this? Shall I rub it? If you have not done this now, then you can see on the WhatsApp group. You can check it from the WhatsApp group. I have sent it there. All right? Okay, so write down the next question now. Wait. Okay, write down the next question, question C. Question B, sorry. B tha ye. Sorry, it was question B, not A. It was question B. अब question C start करना है हमको. Question C. Skip count in hundreds. Skip count in hundreds. Okay? And underline this hundreds. Okay, first question is, now we have to skip hundreds. Like 6,000 to 7,000. Yes.
मैम अपना कैमरा थोड़ा सा जूम कर लीजिए.
Beta, I can't zoom my camera. You have to zoom yourself on your phone. I can't zoom it for anyone. You have to zoom it. Everyone has to zoom it for themselves. Okay, 6,000. And speak in English next time, Akshita. And keep your mic off. Look here, everyone. Everyone, put your pencil down for a minute. Put your pencil down for a minute and look here on the board. Look here on the board. Put your pencil down. Look here on the board. Fold your arms and look here. Quickly. Stop writing Humera. Look here on the board. Okay. See, 6,000 to 7,000. We have to write it from 6,000. We have to start the numbers from 6,000 and we have to skip hundreds. And we have to skip 100. Like 6,000 is there. And if you add 6,000, 100, so what will be the answer? 6,000. First we will write 6,000. 6,000 ऐसे ही copy किया. Then 6,100. Okay, 6,100. अब 100 के बाद क्या आता है? 200. तो 6,200. Then 6,300. Then 6,400. Like this. You have to complete it. Yes. 6,500. आगे मैम को बोलोगे बेटा. अब बेटा, if it is not coming in one line, you can use the next line. 6,600. 6,000. Excuse me के आगे बोलो बेटा.
Ma'am, I am saying we will do when the 100 digit is like this.
Like what?
Like
Huh?
837. So what
wait.
we will do?
Like if it is 837 like this.
Yes, ma'am.
See बेटा, hundreds place पे कौन सी value है? What is the value at hundreds place? Here?
8.
8 ना?
Ma'am,
8 है. 8 के बाद क्या आता है? 937. 9 के बाद क्या आता है? 10. 1037. Understood, David? Very good question. He said, asked me a very good question. He said, ma'am, if the digits is like this, okay, 1037, 10 के बाद it will come 100s place पे क्या 0, 0 के बाद क्या आता है 1137. Okay, David? Understood?
okay, ma'am. Thank
Only
you. Ma'am.
100s place number will be changed, will be increased by 1. Only 100s place. See, Only 100. 0 के बाद it is coming 1, 1 के बाद 2, 2 के बाद 3, 3 के बाद 4, 4 के बाद 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. अब 69. It is coming 9 नहीं है ये 69 है. 69 के बाद it will come 70. It will come 7,000. Okay. If it is not coming in one line, you can use the next line. Okay. Start doing it. And Aditya, I want your answers. Beta, this chapter is going to be over. As soon as this chapter will be over, you will make PDF. You know how to make a PDF?
Okay.
You know how to make a PDF? Not the pictures. I'm not asking for the pictures.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
I will teach you how to make a PDF. Then then what you will do? I will teach you how to make a PDF. Then you will make PDF and then you will send a line wise. ये नहीं एक आगे एक पीछे पहले पूरा line wise. पहले first exercise, second exercise, third exercise, like I taught you. In the same way, you will make the PDF of the whole notebook. हाँ.
Full chapter.
हाँ.
PDF of full chapter.
Yes, PDF of whole chapter. Once this chapter is completed, I think tomorrow it will be completed. So tomorrow you have to send me this PDF, whole PDF. First, I will day after tomorrow. That is on today's Wednesday. On Thursday. Wait, today is Wednesday. On Thursday, you will send it to me. No, Friday. On Friday, you are going to send me the PDF. Tomorrow, I will send you the PDF of the whole. अगर आपका कुछ रह गया है, आप पूरा मेरा PDF चेक करोगे. ठीक है? अगर कुछ भी रह गया है, if अभी wait a minute, Apoor, let me speak. अगर आपका कुछ भी रह गया उसे कंप्लीट करोगे फिर फ्राइडे को मुझे पूरा PDF चाहिए and I'll mark your present if you have sent the PDF or not. Each and every one, I will see from the class attendance who has not sent me the PDF. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
You have to send it on WhatsApp group. हाँ Apoor.
Ma'am, I know how to make a PDF because in my exam I made the PDF.
If you beta, if you know, it's very good, and if you don't know, I will teach you. Okay, I will teach you tomorrow how to make a PDF. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
I will tell you one app. You have to download one app. Okay, so from that app you can make a PDF.
Ma'am, it is fast scanner, na?
Beta, there are so many apps. Like Kagaz app is there. Adobe app is there. Okay, you can make it from there.
Ma'am, but I make from fast scanner.
Scanner is also very good. Which scanner?
Fast scanner.
Fast scanner. Okay. There are so many apps present on the Play Store, so you can download it. Devit, why your camera? Devit or Dakshata, let me throw them out of the meeting. Let me throw them out. Devit, because his camera is off. Or Bhangi, Dakshata Bhangi, her camera is also off now. That means I think these both are playing the games. That's why they are not switching on their cameras, or they are sleeping. Vashu, you speak a lot, but your never camera you keep always off, right? Hai na, Vashu? You speak a lot unnecessarily. When two are speaking, when I was asking others, you always speak in between. And when I ask you to keep, and your camera is always off. जिसका कैमरा ऑफ होता है उसकी तुम्हें कभी भी बात नहीं सुनती हूँ बेटा. Wait a second. I'm writing small because of lack of space. Chalo, start writing. Two students have thrown out of the meeting, that is Dakshata and Devit, because they are switching off their cameras again and again. And next is Vashu and Arjun Yadav. because they switch their cameras off in between the class. I think they go play games and do something else. Start doing it yourself and send it to me on WhatsApp right now. Dakshata, now your camera will be opened or not? I removed you just because your camera was not open. Kshitij Gangwar, kaun hai ye? Change your name. Kshitij Gangwar, I will mark you absent. Vikalp Singh ka always the mic is on.
Okay, ma'am.
Dakshata, shall I throw you out? Dakshata and Divit again because your camera is off.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am joining for my laptops.
Okay.
So my camera is off.
Don't lie to me that you are joining from laptop. Where is your laptop? Have you joined it? Acha, now you have started joining, na? Chalo, do
Yes.
it. Do it before the class, not during the class. Divit Sharma and Arjun Yadav and Shaurya Pratap Gangwar. These three I'm going to throw you out. Camera should be on.
Ma'am, I am doing my work from the WhatsApp group, ma'am. I cannot see
So why are you doing it from WhatsApp group?
Zoom.
Why are you doing from WhatsApp group? I have given you work here. I have given you work here. Do that work afterwards.
I cannot see.
Do that work afterwards. वो पुराना वर्क है क्वेश्चन बी, वो बाद में करना है. पहले क्वेश्चन ये करो, ये वाला क्वेश्चन करो पहले. First do this question that is written on the board. Do that afterwards. That was your pending work. Pending work should be done after the class. Hardik. I'm taking your attendance, just give me some time. Hardik. Shaurya Pratap Gangwar, please change your name. Everyone else start doing this quickly. Saransh, today you joined, बच्चे. Vashu, tell me the answer of the second one. Vashu, tell me the answer of the second one. Oh, wait a second. Wait. Yes, now you can tell. And nobody else will open their mic when I'm speaking to one.
15,042.
15,042. Is it the way to read the number? Read this number again. Read this number again.
1,542.
Yes. Tell me the next number. What will come next? What will come next? You have to skip in hundreds. Skip count in hundreds. Wait, I should.
Why you have times 1,100.
Speak quickly. जल्दी जल्दी बोलो जैसे रुद्रांश ने बोला था. You were speaking in between. I will tell. When he was speaking
1000
fast. Quick.
1742, 1872,
72.
42, 1942,
Tell this one.
2542,
500. 500. See better, 19 के बाद it is coming 20. It is 9. 9 के बाद 10 आता है, but it is here 1, 9, 19. 19 के बाद it comes 20, so even 20, 42. Next.
42,
हाँ
2000,
हाँ
2142,
हाँ
2342,
200, not 300.
242,
Okay.
2342,
Okay.
2442, 2542,
ठीक है. Now start from 3650. Not you, Bashu. Now. Aradhya.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell the answer of this one. Wait a minute, Aradhya. Wait a second, bache. Now I will not ask from those who are just this not switching on their videos. Vashu, next time I will not ask from you if you are not going to switch on your video. Aradhya, tell the answer of this one.
3650.
Very good. Then
3750.
very good. Next.
3850.
Very nice. Next, quickly, jaldi batati jao.
3950.
Yes.
4050.
Very good. Very nice.
4500.
500. 500 आ जाएगा. 40 के बाद 500 आ जाएगा. 40 के बाद 45 आ जाता है. बता बच्चा. हाँ. Tell. Speak, beta.
400, 150.
Yes, very nice. 4150.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, please send the on the WhatsApp group.
Afterwards, I will send it. Abhi you copy from here.
4250.
बेटा 150. देखो 4040 है. 40 के बाद 100 place we have to change. 0 के बाद क्या आता है 1. तो 4150. Okay. हाँ next.
4350.
Yes, very good.
4450.
Very nice. Good.
4550.
अच्छा 500 भी है. Okay, sorry. See question yourself and try to do the answers yourself. See, copy the questions from the board and answers yourself. Do not copy mine. Don't send the answer, it's not needed. Oh.
Ashwini ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, please send the work on the WhatsApp group, ma'am. I can.
I will send it afterwards. Just copy see the question only. I think question is easily visible, so you can see the questions. Who entered right now? Who entered right now in the class? Let me check. Saransh Gangwar. He was already there. But he was already there. Rudran, Saransh Singh, Saransh Chandani. Sarthak Gangwar was there. Mashu Manya, Ritvik, Pranjal, Kshitij, Gangwar, Sharpitab Gangwar, Kalpit Mera, Hardik. Karanveer was there. Achha, he's here. Okay, I'm telling you the last answer so that I can show you the picture. 900, otherwise it will be late. 2 minutes are left. So our next answer will be 900. Okay, wait. Where is Kunal Sharma? Kunal Sharma, I can't see you sitting over there.
Ma'am, I have done my work.
All right, now Saransh Chandani. No, Saransh Singh. Saransh Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Better tell the answer of this one quickly. What comes after 900 if you add 100 to it?
900.
हाँ
900.
बताओ next बताओ जल्दी से. Okay, very nice. हाँ.
Ma'am, please try.
Wait a minute. 1,200, 1,300 and 1,400. Just do it quickly, everyone. Period is going to be over, so I'll share it on WhatsApp group. Okay? You can do it from there. But मुझे PDF पूरी चाहिए सबकी. I will ask one by one from everyone.
Ma'am, on Friday.
हाँ, on Friday. Tomorrow I will send you one PDF. You will check आपका सारा work complete है या नहीं है.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, now send
Now I'm
the work
sending
on
on WhatsApp. I've sent it on WhatsApp because period is going to be over. I've shared it on WhatsApp. You can check it from there. Tomorrow we will do skip in thousands. Okay? Beta, don't worry if this meeting gets over. I've shared it on WhatsApp. You can check it from WhatsApp and do it from there. Okay? Now we will start with tomorrow, the next one.